Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Reddit account. So if you also want to log in Reddit account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Reddit is a social media platform where people share content, engage in discussions and connect with each other. A Reddit account allows the users called Redditors to access and participate in the online community of Reddit. So if you also want to log into your Reddit account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome, or instead of that you can also open the Reddit application if you're using mobile device. So if you've opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in reddit.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Reddit. Over here you'll be able to find the option for login. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here the login interface for Reddit will be opened up. You can either continue with Google or continue with Apple, or you can also continue with email or username if you want. If you want to sign up for your Reddit account, simply click on the option sign up. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, simply click on the option of your choice. If you want to continue with email or username, all you have to do is enter your email or username in this field. You can see over here I've already entered it. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your Reddit account password. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged in to your Reddit account. So that is how you log in Reddit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.